Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to be going through how to create a table of contents. And to create a table of contents, you need to have a document. For example, someone might be making a report, and you need to guide someone on how to about the chapters on how to use or how to read that report. Then basically you need that table of contents. Today I want to take you through that table of contents and how to make it. So first things first, I have here my report. I'm making a report. This is basically a research report for students. Sometimes you might have a book, you are trying to guide someone on how to use your book, so you need to have the table of contents. So basically a table of contents is a list of chapters which are in your document and gives guidance to the user. So to create a table of contents, you need to have your document. So this is my report. So I want to, a table of contents has the main headings, as well it has the subheadings. So I'm going to show you something here which has the layout on how to put those headings. So in the preliminary pages, that is where we shall start from. You might start from approval, declaration. So this is where we are going to start from. So in your main headings, like now in this page 1, you need to have your approval. So you come highlight it and put it on table 1. You need to put another one on table 2. And then I just come highlight it. This is still a main heading. I put it on table 1, and still everything which is a main topic in your report should be on heading 1. So basically I'm going to put everything that is supposed to be on that heading 1. I'm highlighting, then I just bring it there. Then after I get done, I look for the subtopics. So basically I'm going to look for for example, I go to chapter 1 and I look for chapter 1 might have some subtopics in it or subheadings in it. So the subheadings will go to heading 2. So let me go to chapter 1. Chapter 1 now, it has the name itself, the chapter 1, so that one goes to the main, to heading 1. Yes. Then chapter 1 has introduction. It has the introduction, so I come and highlight my introduction. So that is a subtopic in chapter 1. And then that one goes to heading 2. So and then heading, that introduction has a background, which is a subheading in that document. So our background will now be in the it is a subtopic, or it's a subheading on introduction, so it goes to our heading 3. So I come and put it on heading 3. Then I try to check again what is on still on after background. I have types of drug information, still goes to our heading 3. It is also a subtopic in heading 2. Then I'll also look for something. Maybe I have a statement of the problem, which is a subtopic in the introduction in chapter 1. So I come and say it goes to heading 2. Okay. Then after highlighting all the subtopics and which are supposed to be are reflected on your table of contents. You can decide to adjust. For example, here in our heading 1, you can adjust and check on the you check on the font size. Maybe all your heading ones have font size 14. They should all be on Times New Roman. That is the format. Then you come and check on heading 2. Maybe this heading 2, if you check on heading 2, it is putting blue, it is coloring them blue. So maybe I need to first bold them. After bolding them, I need also to change the color to black. Then the font size, maybe I'm also putting them to font size 14. And perhaps if they are in lowercase, it's still okay. I think the subtopics are all in lowercase. Then I still come to heading 3. Heading 3 still, when I go to heading 3, it is also putting them on a blue color. So I can say let me bold them. Then after bolding them, I also change the font size to font size 14. So that is those are some of the small settings you can do on those things. Then you come to color. I want them to be black. So after that, I just come and you make sure you create a page, a fresh page where you are going to insert all those headings. So when you create that page, it should be a blank page, and make sure your cursor is active on that page. So this is our table of contents. So I make sure I bring here my cursor. Then I come here, I come here on insert. Then I say maybe before inserting, let me first do the page numbering. I should first do the page numbering. I come back to home. Okay, let me go to insert. Then I look for the page numbers. Yes. Then I say it should be, the page numbers should be on the bottom. Then I select this center in the bottom. That is how our page numbers are. So you can already see our page numbers are reflected here. So every subtopic which was highlighted will be in position to be reflected in one of the pages. So after that, I come back to my fresh page, and in my fresh page is where I'm going to insert the table of contents. And I just come and click on it. Then I say that is where I'm going to put it. So I click on it. Then I go to insert. I come here. I come to the table of contents. I'm looking for the table of contents. So to insert that table of contents, you find it at reference. So you just come to, when you click here on reference, you will be in position to get the table of contents. So I come here and select the type of the table of contents I want to put. So it will show me whether I want an automatic table. It also has an automatic table too. So it has different formats, how they are organized. So maybe let me choose the first one. Then I say that, and definitely it inserts my table of contents here, and it is even putting for me the references. So that is where my table of contents will go. Yes, so that is my table of contents. Yeah, and it shows me the page and everything in it. So basically that is how we can work on our table of contents. And thank you guys for watching, and I believe you guys learned something. And in the next video I'll be doing something special, and I encourage you to please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for the upcoming videos. Have a nice time.